A very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are staying safe at your home, right? As you all know that we are facing a very tough situation right now, right? So why we are facing a very tough situation? We are facing a very tough situation because we are facing this pandemic COVID-19, right? And for this disease, what we are doing? We are sanitizing our hands, we are washing our hands frequently, we are wearing masks, we are following social distancing, right? We all are doing all these things, right students? You all are doing all these things. These things you have to keep on doing for your safety, right? Till the time we are not going to schools, we are here at our home. What we have to do is we have to utilize this time, right? We have to utilize this time, we have to learn new things, and we have to enhance our knowledge, right? We don't have to waste this time. We have to utilize this time and we have to enhance more our knowledge, and we have to try to gain more and more knowledge, right students? So on this positive note, what we are going to do, right? We are going to study a topic from your book, right? But I am not going to tell you the topic straight away. What is the topic that you have to tell me, right? So what you have to tell me is, I will ask you some questions and then you have to reply to me, and eventually you will understand about what thing I'm talking about. Okay students, so let's start. Okay, let me ask you one thing. What is your name? Your name might be Divya, Deepanshu, Priya, Priyanka, right? These all are the names of the students, right? So you all have a name? I suppose you all have a name, right? Do I have a name? Yes, I am also having a name. And what is my name? My name is Priyanka, right? Okay, so the place where you all are living, where you are living, some of you are living in Delhi, some of you are living in Noida, some of you are living in some other places, right? So I suppose that all the places are having names. Am I right? Yes. So all the places are having names, right? Even the country in which we are living, India, it is also having a name, right? So it means that the places are also having names, the people are also having name, and what else? If suppose I have this thing in my hand, right? What is this? This is a thing. This is a chalk. So this little thing is also having a name, right? And if we talk about this thing, what is this? What is this? This is your book. So this thing is also having a name. It means every person, every place, everything is having a name, right? So students, do you know what all these naming words are called? Do you know that? Yes, I know you all know that the naming words are known as nouns, right? So what are nouns? Nouns are the naming words that name a person, place, thing, or any abstract idea also, right? So there are various kinds of nouns and there are various types which we are going to learn in this chapter, right? So what is today's topic? The topic for today is nouns that we are going to study. There are some concepts, the definition of noun that I am going to discuss with you all in this class. Are you ready for the learning? I will make it more interesting for you all so that you all can understand the concept and you all can understand the basics of the concepts, and you all can keep the concept in your mind. Right students? So let's begin the class. So students, the topic for today is nouns, right? So what is the definition of nouns? We all should learn the definition. It is, nouns are the names of people, things, substances, places, ideas and feelings, right? This is the definition and I will read it once again for you. All of you have to be very attentive and understand that what these words are trying to convey, right? Nouns are the names of people, things, substances, places, ideas and feelings. This is the complete definition of noun. It means that the nouns are the naming words. They name a person, they name a place, they name a thing, feeling and many other, right? I will give you one example. If I say Ram is a good boy, right? This is the example which I have given you. Ram is a good boy, right? So what is the noun here? Noun here is Ram because it is a name of a person. If I write Delhi, Delhi is a name of a place, right? If I say Priyanka, Priyanka is a name of a person, right? And if we talk about things, so there are various things as I told you. Chalk, this substance, this thing is also having a name, right? So nouns are basically the naming words. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Now, only this much is the concept of noun? No. There are so many concepts, and one thing which I would like to tell you is that nouns are of various types. We have different types of nouns that I am going to teach you just now. Okay? Okay, so let me tell you the kinds of noun, or we can say the types of noun. Kinds of nouns, right? This is our next topic, that is kinds of nouns or type of nouns, right? So let me tell you that nouns are divided here in this chapter in 6 types. Okay? In how many types, students? In 6 types, right? They are divided in 6 types. I will tell you the names. Number 1, the first type of noun here is proper noun, right? The first type of noun here is proper noun, okay? The second type of noun here is common noun, okay? The third type is countable nouns, okay? The fourth is uncountable noun. The fifth one is concrete noun, and the sixth one here is abstract noun, right? So here we have the 6 types of nouns. Number 1, proper noun. Number 2, common noun. Number 3, countable noun. Number 4, uncountable noun. Then concrete, and then abstract noun. So these are the 6 types of nouns. One by one we are going to see the definition, we are going to learn about these nouns, and I will tell you how they differ from each other. Okay? So let us discuss about the first type of noun, the proper noun. Okay? Students, proper nouns are the names of specific people, places or institution. Just now I told you what are the types of nouns. Now I am going to tell you its specifications, right? That how proper nouns are different from the other types of nouns. Now we are going to talk about the proper nouns. Okay, so first I will tell you the definition. All of you have to write it. Whenever you are taking English class, what you have to do, you have to take one pencil, one rough notebook where you can make your notes, right? You have to make your notes for your better understanding. Okay. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the names of specific people, places or institutions, right? If I will take a specific name, right, then I am talking about the proper nouns. How? I will tell you. If I am saying Kanika is a doctor, right? So here Kanika, this word Kanika is a name of a person. That is why it is a proper noun, right? That is why it is a proper noun, because I am taking the name of a particular person, right? I'm not talking in groups. I'm not saying anything in common. I am taking the name of a particular specific person, that is Kanika, right? If I say Delhi is a beautiful city, right? What I said, Delhi is a beautiful city. So what is the name of the place, students? You all tell me. Yes, it is Delhi. It is Delhi. So right now I am not talking about places in general. I am talking about one specific place, that is Delhi. So what I said, Delhi is a beautiful city. So if I am talking about a particular place, I am specifying the name. It means that noun is a proper noun. Okay, that noun is a proper noun. Okay, I will give you some more examples which are given in your book. Suppose the specific people, Kanika, Suman, Ayan, Mansi, Priyanka, all these are proper nouns. If I talk about the places Darjeeling, Delhi, Noida, India, if I am taking the name of a particular place, then also it is a proper noun. Okay. If I am taking the name of specific institutions, that is All India Radio, Tata, Delhi Public School, all these are proper nouns. So the name of days of the weeks like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these are proper nouns. The names of the months like January, February, March, all these are proper nouns. Are you getting the concept? If I say proper nouns begin with a capital letter, they do not take articles before them and they usually do not have plurals. It means what I have written. When I have written this proper noun, I have made use of this capital letter. I have written the proper noun with capital letters, right? So the proper nouns begin with the capital letters and no article is used here. I have not written a Kanika or the Kanika, right? So no article is used before the proper nouns. Okay, are you getting the concept? So this is the concept of proper nouns, right? So whenever you see that there is a name of a particular place, particular person, particular thing or institution, what you see there? You see that the noun there used is a proper noun. Okay students, you got this point, right? So students, the next concept which we are going to take is common nouns, right? So just now I told you about proper nouns. Now you all will be very curious that ma'am, what is the difference between these type of two nouns, right? What are proper, that I told you. Now what are common nouns, that I am going to tell you just now. Okay students, so let us learn this. A common noun is the common name of all the things in the class. If you are having your book, I am on page number 16. Read it along with me so that you can understand what I am teaching you here, right? So a common noun is a common name for all the things in the class, right? If I say monkey, what I have written here? Monkey, right? Or more example I am giving you. Second is fan. Okay. Third, if I say lake, right? I have written these three words: monkey, fan, lake. I have written. So, am I taking any name here? Am I specifying anything here? No. I am just telling monkey, the name of all the monkeys. I am not specifying a particular name that I am talking about Raja the monkey. No, I have not specified a particular name. I just said monkey. This is the name for all the monkeys. I just said fan. This is the name for all the fans, right? I have not specified any name. I'm just talking in general, right? If I say, example, see here, what if I say Delhi, Patna, Ajmer, right? So if I have written the name of these places, when I am writing the particular name, then these are proper nouns. But if I say place, so it could be any place, whether it is Delhi, whether it is Mumbai, whether it is Patna, it could be any place. Got it students? So when we are not specifying anything, we are talking in general, at that time we are making use of common nouns, right? If it is written Ahmedabad, Mysuru, Patna are all cities. But when I'm not taking the name, I'm just saying city. So it could be any city. When I'm saying Patna, then it is a proper noun. When I'm saying city, then it is a common noun. Got it students? But Ahmedabad, Mysuru and Patna are all the names of particular cities. These names are not common to all cities, right? So if I am taking a particular name, just now I told you Ahmedabad or Patna or any other city, if I am taking the name, then this name is not common for all. There is only one Ahmedabad, there is only one Patna. So when I specify a name, then it is a proper noun. When I'm not specifying a name, I'm talking in general, at that time we are making use of common nouns. Are you clear with the concept of common nouns and proper nouns? Now I will take some examples to make it clear for you all. If I say, I'm writing some words here, now you are going to tell me, right? If the concept is clear, you will be telling me that what is it. It is a common noun or it is a proper noun. See here. If I am saying, I have written some words here. Number one is Mumbai, boy, car, Ram, Patna, curtain. Now you will be telling me from all these how many of them are proper nouns and which one is a common noun. Now you will be telling me. How you can tell? Okay, tell me students. This is Mumbai written. Mumbai. So is it a proper noun or a common noun? Yes, it is a name of a place. So it is a proper noun. Okay? Boy, is it a name? No, we are just saying boy. It could be any boy. It could be Ram. It could be Pawan. It could be Sham. Right? So this is a common noun. Right? If I talk about car, I am not specifying a particular car, that Honda car or that Hyundai car. I am not taking a particular name. I am just saying car. It means this is a common noun. Got it, students? If I say Ram, if I say Patna, these are the names. This is a name of a person. This is a name of a place. It means both of them are proper nouns. And this word curtain, I am not specifying anything. So this is a common noun. I hope now the concept of proper noun and common noun is clear to you all. Right? So based on these two concepts of proper noun and common noun, I am going to tell you one exercise which is given in your book. What you have to do, you have to understand it, and afterwards in the format of word, you will be getting all the answers. Don't worry about the answers. Don't worry about the notebook work. What you have to worry is that you have to understand the concept very clearly. Right? Let me rub it. Okay, and then we will continue with the exercise to make your concept more clear. Okay. Now students, see here, the first exercise here is identify the proper nouns and rewrite them with proper capitalization, right? Just now I told you that the nouns which are proper nouns, we write them with the capital letter, right? So the first word, road. Road is common or proper? It is common. So we are not going to write it with capital letter. Ramu. Ramu is a name of a person. So you are going to write capital R. Means Ramu is written like this. So what you have to do? You have to write it like this. Ramu. R will be capital because it is a name of a person. Okay. Island. It is a common noun. Then Denmark. Denmark is a name of a place. Then you are going to write Denmark with capital D. Thursday. Thursday is a name of a day. So you are going to write capital T. You are going to write it like this. Thursday. Right? Next is Easter. It's a kind of a festival. Easter. So you have to write with capital E. Then poster. Poster is no proper noun, so it will be like that only. Then Preeti, it's a name of a person. Then you are going to write capital P. Like this, you are going to write Preeti. Okay? Then Air India, you are going to write Air, A capital, and I of India, capital. This will be capital. Okay? Then Discovery Channel, it's a name of a channel. Then you are going to write capital D and capital C. Discovery Channel. Airport, it's a common noun. You are not going to make any changes. Then Ratan is a name of a person. Then R will be capital. Very good. Then Jacob. Jacob is a name of a person. Right? Then J will be capital. Right? And Shanghai is also a name of a place. So, S will be small or capital? Yes, it will be capital, right? So, we are done with exercise number A. You have to understand the concept and then you have to do the exercise accordingly. Okay? Now, the next exercise here is match the proper nouns in column A with correct common nouns in column B, right? So, here, it is written Prem, Azhar and Vinay. All these are names of boys. So, here if it is written Prem, Azhar and Vinay. If it is written, then you are going to match it with boy. That these proper nouns, Prem, Azhar and Vinay, These are proper nouns, and what is the common noun for all of them? It is a boy. So you are going to match it with boy. Next, Colgate, Close-Up, Pepsodent. All these are toothpaste. Next, Yamuna, Amazon, Tapti. What are all these things? You tell me. Yes, these are the names of rivers. Okay? Justin Trudeau, Angela Merkel, Xi Jinping. These are the names of leaders. So you are going to match it with leaders. Okay? Nagpur, Kolkata, Thiruvananthapuram. See what a big spelling it is. Thiruvananthapuram. So you have to learn this spelling also, that you should know what is the spelling of Thiruvananthapuram. And all these are city. Okay? So the common noun for all of them is city. Next is NDTV, CNN, National Geographic. All these are what? Channel. Right? So you are going to match it with channel. Hyundai, Maruti, Toyota. All these are cars. Next, Diwali, Onam and Eid. These are the festivals. So this is the exercise all about. Exercise number A and B, that is based on the concept of proper nouns and common nouns. What you have to do is, I have just now told you that you have to make your notes for your better understanding in some rough notebook, right? But when you will be getting all the answers, when the chapter will be over, you have to do the exercises in your fair grammar notebook of English. You are going to write the questions with black pen and answers with blue pen. Your handwriting should be very beautiful. You can use highlighters to make your work more attractive, right? So I hope that you all will do your work very sincerely, and I hope that the concept of proper noun and common noun is clear with you all. Thank you so much, class.